my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Jessica and my channel here on YouTube is Jessica Tyler. This video is such a fun video. It is a collab with several different women here on YouTube, and it is put together by Small Town 6. Her name is Tiffany and she has like the best channel ever. So be sure to check out her channel. I have it linked below. And also we have a playlist for you guys, so you don't have to go find all of these videos on your own. The playlist will also be linked below. But we're all sharing cleaning motivation, decluttering, organizing motivation, anything, you name it. And so it is time for me to tackle under my side of the sink. So I'm about to switch you around here. This is my side of the sink. We have two vanities here, and don't mind that mirror, it's horribly dirty, and the countertop is horribly dirty, but that side is my husband Jason's, and that is under his sink. And then we just have some common things in here that I probably need to clean out, and this is not dirty. We've just lived here forever and like the color is wearing off. But anyways, I did get my Method wood cleaner to clean up if we have time for that. But we are about to open in here and just, I don't know, don't judge. This is called me being lazy. So I made a video a while back and I used these baskets from Target, basically because I live in Arkansas, central Arkansas, and like, I don't know, we don't have a, I don't want to bash them, but our Dollar Trees or dollar stores do not have like the baskets that everybody on YouTube have. So I go to Target to get my baskets. These are like the cheaper ones. I think the brand is, yeah, Room Essentials. And this is a big one that's probably like $6. And then these are like the medium size. Look how sloppy I am. There's my toothbrush. I did get this from the Dollar Tree like way back in the day when I was in high school. It's my toothbrush holder. Anyways, and these are the really small. Let me just go ahead and get that junk out. These are the small containers, and these are like $2, I think. Look, still have the tag on, but it doesn't say. Anyways, I'll link that video too in case you guys want to see it. But what I basically have going on here is a large basket. I think I have one medium-sized basket here and then two little ones. So why don't we just get into it? I'm going to take all this stuff out, wipe it down, and then straighten it back up. So here we go.
I was falling through the air. No one let myself to hold my hand.
Okay, I'm trying to get y'all in here real good. One of the boys won this like in a Dirty Santa game, but I love Dr. Teal's stuff, so I haven't taken that out yet though. I've been using other stuff. Look at these. Did y'all know Morphe even made these things? I bought them at TJ Maxx. They were a Christmas gift. Anyways, that's a good place for my glass case. You know, my glasses are not in there. Have some shampoo. Face mask. I don't think I'll dump this. This is like, obviously you didn't use this a whole lot, but they're nail clippers, nail things. So that's what that little basket is for. Ooh. Contact cleaner. I got this for Christmas too, some perfume. Need to take those out. And I don't know, this is just a bunch of junk. I bought like a ton of these things because Target wasn't selling them anymore at our Target. And I use these to put on my foundation. They're application blending removal cosmetic wedges. This one's brand new. It's like the large pack, but I bought 2 large packs when I went to a Target in Mississippi, and so maybe I'll never run out again. Obviously all these cotton balls just got thrown in here. I have Jonah's baby dog grooming spray for after he takes or has a bath. Nowadays I have to give him a bath every week because his eyes are just going really bad and they get matted because, oh, it's kind of disgusting. But anyways, this is like a dog spray that smells like baby powder. More cotton balls. This stuff's really good. Purity by Philosophy. It's the ultralight moisturizer, and I use that every morning. It's kind of expensive, but you know, I pick and choose what I want to spend on certain things. An ink pen, of course. Oh, my retainer from high school. I don't want to see those. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. All right, here, someone's texting me. I'm gonna take these out, wipe down the underneath here, and check my phone.
The shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know, this isn't us. Baby, pull me.
Now I'm gonna put these back in. I think I'm just going to get a disinfectant wipe because they're not really dirty, but I'll go ahead and wipe them and kill any germs that might be in there. I don't know. Sounds like a good idea. Okay, so I have this large one. Okay, and then I have this medium one. I already left it off. My memory card was like full, so I had to fix that up. But anyways, and this little one I'm just using for nail, you know, stuff since I do my nails so much. So that one goes there, and then I have another smaller one, and that's the idea, for it to be nice and organized. So let's put some of these products in here. I still have quite a bit of shampoo in the shower, so I'll put this extra one. Actually, I think I have a container, or well, like a basket in the linen closet where I do that, and I totally forgot about it. I wonder what all kind of extra products I have in there. But anyways, I think I'll just leave this in here. And then I have my contact cleaner. I'm not sure if I want to put that in. Hairspray I don't hardly use, and I need to fill the soaps up, but I keep an extra soap refill in here, and Jonah's baby dog stuff, and some Jack lotion. And I don't use this. I bought this Bath and Body oil, but like, I don't really use it. I'll put it in there anyways. A massager. I have plantar fasciitis, so I use this for my foot. I guess we'll put that there. And okay, this is to travel. It's Vera Bradley. I think I bought it right before I had Jack to take to the hospital. So, and it's been cleaned. I don't hardly use it, but I think I'll keep that in the very back. This bag, it was like a free gift when I bought some Philosophy stuff, and I keep my eye products in it because I wear contacts. So here's a random one. I just bought contacts and they're not in here, so I need to go find those. But anyways, I usually, when I travel, I put my contacts and then my glasses in here. So that's how I'm gonna keep that. And it goes in here. I think I'm actually gonna move this massager to the back. Contact solution in here that I don't use as much because I wear one-a-days. And I have these cotton balls that are mainly used for first aid, but we don't have enough space in our kitchen cabinet where I keep medicine and stuff, so, and like bandages. So I think I'm gonna put that in here. I don't want too many things just in the back loop. A glove that needs to be fixed, that doesn't go in there. Okay, so now I have my toothpaste, my toothbrush. I keep that in there, and this goes right there. But I need to put that on. I'll put that in there because that's the one I use the most. What is this? Okay, that's like little sample stuff. I guess I'll open these perfumes. So I got this for Christmas for my father-in-law. Ooh. I don't wear perfume a whole lot, so these will be great because they're just like little travel ones. So that's cute. Anyways, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those to put to the side. My skincare stuff, I'm trying to get a better skincare routine going on since I'm 35. So this is expensive. This is my night cream. I don't always have this. I got this for Christmas and I don't know why my camera like does not want to focus on what I put in front. It's a setting that I need to work on, but this is Origins. And then these are super cheap. They're oils. Or this one's an oil. This is rose hip seed oil. YouTuber influenced me. And this is zinc and something else that I'm not even gonna try to say, but if you want to know what they are, just comment down below. Those in my skincare routine. And these are, what am I gonna do with them? I have like so many, which is good. I won't run out. Okay, I'm going to try to just stick on them. I think I'm gonna put a massager with the nail stuff, and then I'll set those back there. Okay, so it's a little more crowded than I was wanting, but it's better than what it was. Here's another bag, travel bag, and stick it in the bag. All right, now it's time to open my Dr. Teal's. I have some Epsom salt, which I'm out of it in the tub, so that needs to go to the tub. Body wash, a foaming bath, another oil that I don't really use in a body lotion. So I think it's body lotion and a little over here. My phone's going crazy. Hold on. Okay, nobody. These can go in the tub, shower, whatever. These are a pair of contacts I didn't use hardly, so I kept those. These are to whiten my teeth. Obviously, I need to use those. Whatever you call it that you put the whitener into the trays and put them in, so I guess I'll keep that. Now it looks like I have just some trash to throw away, moisturizer, deodorant. I guess I'll keep that. Kind of putting them by the size of the product, but there's not really that much room over there. And then nail polish. Okay, that's done. So that's what I came up with. All my skincare here. Nail stuff and that massager thing. Teeth, eyes, extra makeup sponges, some travel bags, and then all of this kind of stuff that I use. So I have a little pile there that goes into the shower. And then some trash and randomness that needs to go away. There it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out that link down below. Thank you to Small Town 6 Tiffany for hosting this collaboration. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. So don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.